Here we're at this place that is usually called Strip Mall. Here we have some air conditioners here. We have a big fat carrier. It's hot.
It's from 2016.
Here we have another carrier. That one's I think this also has a new fan motor on it, probably.
It's from 2010.
I might be wrong, actually. I think this is from around 2010. Here we have another carrier. It's a bit taller. It's got two sharp blades on it.
It's from 2023.
I might be wrong there.
No, this is from 2021. My bad.
My bad. I was just keep focusing on these numbers.
It's nice and cold and sweaty.
This looks brand new.
It's another one that I can't read. Look at that big compressor.
It's big. It's got 3 blades on it.
It's from 2011. It has not been running.
Here we have, this is really old. This is a really old unit. You can barely see the inside of it. Small spider just got on me, but let's just hope I don't die. Let's just hope I don't get bitten. It's a really old unit. I can't even tell. I can't usually tell, but I'm usually sure that it was from the 1900s. Here we have, this is pretty old. It's got a bonus on it, top of it. It's been running. And another one that I can't read. Here we have this right here. We have a run right here. It's a pretty big unit. It's got big, two sharp blades on it. It's been running. Can't usually find the bit. Here we have another Griffin. Hot as heck. Has a lot of cables inside of it. It's been running. The classic one. It's usually pretty loud, to be honest.